Judicial warrant. Where is the judicial warrant? Show us the judicial warrant. There is no judicial warrant. If you had a warrant, you would show us right now, signed by a judge.
All right. So if you don't know, first of all, ICE does not need a warrant. They don't need a warrant to arrest an illegal migrant in the U.S. No warrant is required. Second, if they do need a warrant, they don't get a judicial warrant from a criminal court. They get an administrative warrant from an immigration court. So it's not a judicial warrant. They have no need of a judicial warrant when they're dealing with a migrant. Now, an American citizen will be different, but we have rights that American citizens, that illegal migrants do not have. So they're demanding a judicial warrant signed by a judge, simply not required. And when these officers just ignore this loud Lupe, this crazy Karen, she's asking for nonsense they have no obligation to provide, including, by the way, they don't have any obligation to provide their names. They don't have any obligation to say who the suspect is. They don't have any obligation to say why they're arresting him. They don't have to provide her with probable cause. Now, they need those things for the arrest to be lawful, but they don't have to share that information with her. She's not part of this process. If anything, she's impeding the process. No, which, of course, is her actual point.
Show us that before you take him.
So that woman on the right there is not the woman who's screaming. The woman screaming is holding the phone. The woman on the right there is a wife or family member of the man who's being taken for deportation. And you know what she says? Let's see if they put it up here in the subtitles.
Send me your phone number so we can.
I love it when they speak English to these people too, because many of these people suspects, they don't understand a word you're saying. Just like with the lawyer on the side of the road at the start of today's show.
Where's the warrant? You keep saying you have it. Where is it?
We're going with you.
So you don't have a warrant. You got him without one.
The woman we saw on the right says, we'll go with him. In other words, if you're going to deport him, we'll go with him. And I think that's about as big a win-win as we could possibly ask for. That's the leverage effect of Trump's deportation policies. And that's what all these illegal migrant third world invader families, if they're here with families, should do. Because the family that deports together stays together.